next fundamental we want to talk about is cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is the movement of minute electrical current produced by the heating of water and known as electrolysis. The inner tank of the water heater acts as a magnet or receiver of this electrical circuit. As the water is heated, metals inside the tank, such as the steel tank itself, brass fittings, and the anode rod, attract the electrical current. By designing an anode rod more conductive to electricity than the steel tank, the tank is protected. The process of the sacrificial anode rod is known as cathodic protection. Corrosion can be defined as the destructive attack of a metal by an electrochemical reaction within its environment. Steel exposed to atmosphere and oxygen will rust and corrode. Corrosion is defined as the eating away of metal by an electrochemical means. There are four main factors affecting the water's ability to corrode. Acidity. Water is made acidic by naturally occurring dissolved gases such as carbon dioxide. Temperature. Hotter waters speed up the corrosive process. Electrical conductivity. The more dissolved mineral solids in the water, the greater its ability to carry electrical current. And finally, the amount of dissolved oxygen. Free oxygen dissolved in the water promotes corrosion. Dissimilar metals are present in the interior steel tank surfaces of all water heaters in several forms, such as drain valves, heating elements, inlet and outlet nipples, and the anode rod. These metals, and other present in the water, combined with the oxygen content of the water and the heat present, establish an environment conducive to corrosion. Rheem's patented R-Tech anode rods increase the life expectancy of the water heater. As long as the magnesium anode rod remains in the tank in an active state, there will be no corrosion of the minute areas of exposed steel inside the tank. The life of the anode, in turn, depends on water temperature, the amount of water used, and the total dissolved solids. When fired in the furnace, the porcelain enamel actually forms a molecular bond and mechanical bond with the steel of the tank. Here is a side view of the porcelain enamel. This bond provides an additional layer of protection between the water and the inner steel tank. The anode rod is a component part of the water heater that needs to be inspected on occasion. If you see 6 inches or more of the core wire exposed, it is time to replace the anode rod.